10 life-changing gadgets seniors wish they discovered years ago. Get ready for something truly extraordinary. You won't believe what we're revealing today. Product number 2 will completely transform your mornings in an incredible way. And product number 5 is the cheapest item on our list, but it will save you tremendous effort every single day of your life. And product number 1, it's the small helper that most seniors wish they had purchased years ago. I've seen people in their 70s and 80s break into smiles when they discover how much easier life becomes with this simple tool. For your convenience, we've included links to all products in the description below and in our pinned comment, so you can easily find everything after watching. Now, let's begin our countdown. Are daily tasks draining more of your energy than before? Getting in and out of the shower, opening cans, putting on socks? Today's list is specially designed for you, especially if you're over 60. Number 10, Gorilla Grip Bath and Shower Mat. The first step to a completely safe bathroom starts under your feet. An exceptional mat that grips the tub or shower floor to make every step stable and secure in an amazing way. Strong suction holds it firmly in place while water drains away, so you're never standing in dangerous puddles that could cause a fall. And the best part? When it needs cleaning, you can wash it, and it returns perfectly new instantly. For seniors concerned about bathroom safety, this is your foundation for confidence. Why risk a fall when this simple solution can prevent it? Many of our senior customers say this mat was the first step to feeling secure again in their own bathrooms. Stability under your feet is great, but what about something reliable to hold on to? That's what we're revealing next. Number 9. Moen Stainless Grab Bar, 24-inch. Imagine this. One hand on an incredibly sturdy and comfortable bar as you enter or exit the shower. That small moment of support changes everything radically. When properly installed, this bar looks elegant, not medical at all, makes you feel completely secure, and can be placed horizontally or vertically depending on your space. If you're adding just one improvement to your bathroom, most seniors start right here, and your body will thank you every day. Many of our customers in their 70s say this single addition made them feel confident in the bathroom again. The peace of mind for both you and your loved ones is truly priceless. But nighttime trips are where small hazards hide. Let's make the path light up only when you need it. Number 8. A UVON plug-in, nightlight with motion and dusk sensors. No switches, no stumbling, no waking the entire house. This compact nightlight notices when the room is dark and when you're moving and works automatically in a magical way. You can adjust the brightness to what your eyes prefer, from just a soft glow to a brighter glow. Hallway, bathroom, bedroom. Suddenly the path you take at night becomes safe and simple in an incredible way. For seniors, this means confident movement, without disturbing your sleep or your partner's. Those midnight bathroom trips no longer require fumbling for light switches or risking a fall in the dark. One customer in her 80s told us she hadn't slept this well in years, knowing her path would be safely lit whenever she needed it. Morning routines bring a different challenge: medications. Let's eliminate the "did I take it?" stress forever. Number 7. Alvon Weekly AM/PM Pill Organizer. Clear days, clear times, clear mind completely. This amazing case divides your week into 2 easy doses per day, so you can see what you've taken at a single glance. The lids open with absolute ease. No more struggling with tight containers. The markings are easy to read even without your glasses, and each day's compartments are simple to fill. Traveling? Just take the days you need. It's a small thing that protects your routine and your peace of mind in a way that will change your life. Many seniors tell us this simple organizer has restored their independence and confidence. One gentleman in his 70s said it eliminated family arguments about whether he'd taken his medication. The evidence was right there in the box. Next, clothing. Buttons and zippers will no longer fight with your hands. Number 6. Vive button hook with zipper pull. If arthritis or stiff fingers make dressing frustrating, this wonderful tool gives you complete control back. Slip the loop through the buttonhole, catch the button, and pull. No pinching, no struggling, no asking for help with your favorite clothes. Flip it, and you have a helper for zippers too. One handle, two amazing daily victories. As we age, maintaining our dignity and dressing ourselves becomes even more important. This simple tool preserves that independence. A customer in her late 60s told us she was able to wear her favorite buttoned blouses again after years of avoiding them. Imagine reclaiming your entire wardrobe with one small tool. And now for the cheapest item on the list, the one that saves your back every morning in a way that will amaze you. Number 5. Viv Long-Handled Shoehorn, 23-inch. This is the simplest upgrade with the biggest daily payoff ever. The long shoehorn lets you slide into your shoes while standing tall, without bending or twisting. If balance is difficult or your lower back complains, this small tool removes that battle in flat 5 seconds. It's inexpensive, extremely durable, and the kind you'll use without thinking, until the day you forget it and realize how much work it was doing for you. Seniors consistently rate this as one of their most essential daily helpers. At less than the cost of a lunch out, this tool prevents back strain and potential falls every single day. One 75-year-old customer called it the best $10 I've ever spent on my health. If socks have been a struggle, especially tight styles or compression socks that your doctor recommends, this next product will completely change the game. Number 4. RMS Deluxe Sock Aid with Foam Handles. Set the sock, hold the soft handles, and pull. That's it. No bending into a tight curl, no losing your balance, no tug of war with stubborn fabric. The foam handles help keep the sock in place, and the cords give you space to work at a comfortable distance. If you've avoided certain socks because they're too difficult to put on, they're back on the table in an amazing way. For seniors with limited mobility, this device restores their full wardrobe choices without compromising their independence. Imagine putting on those compression socks your doctor recommended without a struggle or asking for help. One customer told us her husband now willingly wears his compression socks every day because this tool made it so simple. Reaching high or low, save the stretch and keep your posture relaxed. Number 3. Vive Reacher Grabber, 32-inch. Add 32 inches to your reach in an instant. This lightweight grabber lets you pick up keys from the floor, pull a sweater from the top shelf, or catch that TV remote that always sneaks between cushions. The handle is exceptionally comfortable even for arthritic hands. The jaws are steady enough to grip small items securely, and you stay upright. No crouching, no straining, no risky bending. Keep one by the sofa and another in the kitchen. You'll be amazed at how often you use it. For seniors protecting their balance and joint health, this tool prevents countless risky bends and reaches. A customer in her 80s told us this tool alone had prevented several potential falls in her first month of using it. Think about that. One simple device potentially preventing a life-changing injury. Before I continue, I want to remind all of our wonderful viewers that you can find convenient links to every single product we're featuring today in the video description below and in our pinned comment. We've carefully selected each item for quality and value, so you can shop with confidence. Now let's continue with our countdown. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Can Opener. If a manual opener hurts your hands or slips, this is a breath of relief that will change your life. A light press and the opener does the work. On regular cans, and even those pop-top styles that can be so challenging for seniors' hands. The edge it leaves is smooth and safe, so there's no sharp surprise after you're done. No more worrying about cuts from can lids. People often say they didn't realize how much effort they were spending until they switched. For anyone who cooks with canned ingredients, especially seniors with arthritis or hand strength issues, mornings and dinners just got incredibly easier. One gentleman in his 70s told us this opener allowed him to continue making his favorite recipes independently after arthritis had made manual openers impossible to use. What would it be worth to keep preparing your favorite meals without pain? For your convenience, we've gathered all the product links in one easy place. Simply check the description box below or our pinned comment to find everything you've seen today. Many of our senior viewers tell us they appreciate having these trusted recommendations all in one place, saving them hours of research and uncertainty. And now for number 1, the small tool that turns stubborn lids into easy wins. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Jar Opener with Base Pad. You place the non-slip pad on the counter, set the jar on it for a steady base, then bring the opener to the lid. The teeth grip even the most stubborn lid. The handle gives you perfect leverage without straining your wrists, and suddenly the lid that used to fight you doesn't anymore. No more running jars under hot water, banging them on countertops, or asking someone with stronger hands for help. It's quick, elegant, and surprisingly satisfying every time you hear that first twist. Most seniors say, "Why didn't I get this sooner?" This simple tool preserves your kitchen independence and dignity when handling everyday items. One woman in her late 70s told us she was about to give up cooking her famous pickled vegetables because she couldn't open the jars anymore, until this tool arrived and changed everything. Imagine the joy of continuing your favorite activities without limitations. Let's quickly review these life-changing gadgets for seniors. Safer steps: start in the bathroom with a firm mat under your feet, an elegant grab bar to hold, and smart lights that guide you at night. Mornings become easier with a pill organizer that keeps your day clear, a button and zipper helper that makes dressing smooth, and a long shoehorn that protects your back. Add a sock aid for those tough pairs, a reacher to save your spine, an electric can opener for pain-free meals, and finish with the jar opener that ends the lid struggle once and for all. Tell us in the comments, which one solves a daily headache for you right now? If you know a senior who deserves easier days, share this with them immediately. It could be the gift that transforms their daily life. And if you want more simple tools that protect your independence as you age, hit subscribe now.